SLA, or Specialised Logistics Australia, is a warehousing and transportation business based in Brisbane. We've been around 25 years. In that time we've grown from basically a one truck, one customer operation out of a small warehouse up to a business now where we have 10 of our own vehicles. We deliver freight nationally. We receive containers from overseas. We store in a 3,000 metre warehouse facility and distribute freight predominantly into Brisbane retailers. Quite a few of our customers are actually based overseas. We have customers in Canada, England, Indonesia, and what those customers do is sell their products into retail businesses within Brisbane. So basically what we do is we receive that freight once it clears customs, deliver it back to our warehouse, unpack those containers, palletise the freight into whatever configuration the client requires, store that freight, and then deliver it into those businesses in Brisbane. Now that the business has evolved to the point where we're dealing basically with 10 different transport companies and 50 different clients, is getting all those businesses to be able to communicate and pass information together is very important. Under the old system, the customer had no access to the stock. If they wanted to know quantities, the status of a delivery, they would have to call up our operations people, who would then have to go into the system and then advise them over the phone as to the movement, or by email. Now under the new system, the customer actually has access into our stock holdings online. They can go in anytime they like, view their stock holdings, and even place their own sale orders or purchase orders, and plan movements of their stock directly themselves without our people being involved. This obviously has two benefits. One is it results in a cost saving to the customer, as they're able to now do some of the primary admin themselves, and two, a time saving because they're no longer having to call and check on status. They can do it themselves. So that time saving is shared obviously by our customers and our own personnel, who are now got more time to get on with planning the movements of stock as opposed to chasing up queries.